Find or read reviews that people are talking about Aozale Water Air Purifier for home. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 3-in-1 functionality. Purifier, humidifier, and diffuser. This water air purifier for home uses water as a natural filter to trap dust, pet dander, and smoke, while releasing clean, moist air. Add water-soluble essential oils for air purifier to transform it into an aroma diffuser, creating a fresh, scented environment perfect for pet owners and smokers. Ultra-quiet and soothing ambience. Control vortex speed and reduce noise with a simple knob turn. Noise level does not exceed 36 decibels, ensuring peaceful operation day and night. The built-in 7-color LED night light cycles through soft hues, adding a calming glow to bedrooms, nurseries, or scent diffusers for home spaces. Large capacity and easy maintenance. The small air purifier features a 1,300 ml transparent water tank with a visible water level, ensuring all-day use. Simply refill with fresh water daily, no replaceable filters needed. Made from BPA-free PET/ABS plastic, it's easy to clean with mild soap and water, avoid hot water. Wide coverage and versatile use. It covers up to 215 square feet, suitable for bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and even small warehouses. Lightweight, 2.2 pounds, and compact, 7x6.4x7 inches, this water-based air purifier with scent fits on nightstands, desks, or countertops without taking up space. Experience the bliss of aromatherapy. Create a calm, refreshing space with Aozale fragrances air diffuser pine, tropical, apple, or eucalyptus. Relax, refocus, or enjoy the moment with this essential oil diffuser and air freshener in one. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.